I'm going to tell you today how to fix the Intertek infrared space heater from Warm Living. Basically, take the screws off the back on these inside parts. Take the screws off the top, off that upside part. This plastic panel is here. And you're basically going to pull that out first. Then unscrew these screws. You see there? After you unscrew those screws, you can pop this off. And when you get inside, you look in here. There's a teeny little red button in there. You gotta take a stick or something and push that red button down and reset it. That's what happened to mine. It must have overheated or something, and that's kind of like, it's what I would call, it's almost like a GFI. It's like a safety switch so this thing doesn't burn out. All right, thanks.